Welcome, students. Welcome to my live class. As I have already displayed my today's class, okay. And today I'm going to teach, okay, here I'm going to explain about the first step of factorization, okay, in algebra. How to factorize that I'm going to show, okay, here in this today's class. Okay, here now I'm going to share. Suppose question is given like this. Question is here factorize. Okay, this is the factorization of algebra. Okay, question will be asked like this: factorize R I Z. Okay, here is FSC TURIZ factorize question will be there. Suppose you are given there a number. Suppose here is given to solve a square. Okay, and there is given next term a b square. Okay, and for this one, look, children, write the solution and then rewrite the question. For that, we need to write it again to a square plus a b square. And look here, I am going to explain here about factorization by taking common. Okay, here a square means, look here, what is a square means? Do you know? A multiplied by a. We know there are two a into a. And when we show the factors of the second term, it is a into b. Okay, b square that's way. And what is the meaning of taking common? Look here. In this first term, this there are two terms. Okay, terms are only separated by plus and minus sign, right? And now look what is the common means here, and its first term that is a, and second term also a. So which one is the same here? That one is known as the common factor. Okay, that common factor put it outside. Okay, and if you take this common, okay, factor outside, then what is remaining here? Here is remaining a, that put the remaining factors also in the bracket, and here is remaining b into p, that is b square. Okay, like this we put inside the bracket, and now the question was like this, and now answer has come in two factor. One factor is this a, and the factor is this ab square. Okay, children, like this we factorize by taking common. Okay, what is the meaning of common? That also I explain here. First of all, see the terms. In these terms, which are the same factor, that is known as the common. Okay, okay. Now I am moving to the next question. Wait, I'm going to share with you here. This is in B number. Okay, suppose B number is given like this. Here 3xy. Okay, this is 3xy. 3xy here, and next one term is there minus 6y square. Okay, and as I told you before, write the solution here, and you can actually like this as well. Dot. Okay, and power and this, and write this question again. 3xy. Okay, minus there is 6y square. Okay, and says again, when you want to take common, better first of all you should know which are the factors of this term. Okay, first one term has factor 3 into x into y. Okay, and like this, and similarly in the 6 also there is 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, there is 2 multiplied by 3, and it y square means we know there is y into y. Okay, like this. And then now look here, children. What is the meaning of common here? Okay, here in this first term and the second term, what is same? Here is 3, here is also 3, right? And here is y, and here is y, but there is no x. That's why here is 3y common. You have to write like this, 3y common. Okay, and then if you take 3y common, what is remaining here? Here is remaining x only. Okay, here is remaining x only, and write a minus, and here is remaining 2. Okay, this is 2, and this 3y common gone, then 1y is remaining there. Okay, like this we write here, and these are the two factor. One factor is this 3y. You can write 3 is also one factor, 3 into y. These are the factors, and remaining in the bracket is here x minus 2y. Okay, like this we factorize the, okay, algebraic expression by taking common. This is our answer. Okay, and here in question number 1 it was the answer here, and we do the common. Okay, like this we solve it, and we find the factors of the given algebraic expression. This is for the beginners, okay? Those who don't know the meaning of factorization, okay? And this is for the beginners to factorize the given algebraic expression. This is the way, okay? Okay, now I want to share other questions. Here I want to see here C number, okay, and how you will factor this. And here's given, suppose x cube minus x square, okay. If here is given x cube and the second term there is given x square, right? In this case, how to factorize? As I told you, mention here solution, right? Then write the question once again here, x cube and minus is x square, right? As I told you here, x cube means we know x into x, okay, multiplied by x, okay, and who is x square means x into x, okay. Now Sicilian, what is same here? A is x into x, A is also x into x, right? If you take x square common here, then and here in first term there is remaining x, okay, and here there will be x into x only. Then here in front there is one coefficient. That's why that one coefficient is remaining here, and this will be the answer for this question. Like this we have to write. If everything goes common there, there remains one as the remaining factor in the bracket. Okay, this is the way to factor this question. This remaining bracket and this is the answer. Okay, on this question. Right. Now let's move for the next question. Okay, look, I want to share the next question here. Okay, this I want to clear. And that is of D number. Okay, the question is given like this: p cube, right? P cube minus 3p square, 3p square cube. Okay, in this condition, how to factorize? Write the solution here and write one more time question here. P cube minus 3p square cube. Okay, now what is the same thing here in first term and second term? Here is p cube, here is p square. Okay, that's the same thing we can take common here. P square is common, and then if p square common gone, then here remain p only, one p only. Okay, and here 3 and q remaining. Put them in bracket. Okay, like this we will factor this question by taking p square common. Okay, now I am moving to the next type question, that is E number. Look at children, in E number, suppose this is given like this. See, question is given like this: A multiplied by A minus B. Okay, right, and the next one plus B also multiplied by A minus B. Okay, and in this condition, look at children, this is first term and this is second term. I write the question first and then look here solution, and a multiplied by a minus b there is, right? That's again plus b multiplied with also a minus b. Okay, and here look, this a minus b is 1 and this a minus b 1 and the 1. Okay, this same factor is this one. That's why we have to take a minus b as a common. This one is the same factor, take common. A minus b as the common, and remaining one is here. This remaining is a, right? And here is remaining is b, right? Like this we factorize, and we got two factor. This is one factor and this is another factor. This is our answer. Okay, like this we solve it. Okay, now look children, I want to say here one more question, that is f number. Okay, in f number question, in this f number question, there is given one term is a, right, into a minus b, right, a into a minus b. Okay, and then there is given plus, okay, b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, and then next one is given there plus a minus b whole square. That means a minus b are there two times. Okay, this is given there. Okay, let this given there, and in such questions, how to factor? Look, I want to show you here. Look, this a minus b is found in every term. Here also a minus b two times because a minus b whole square. Write first whole solution and write question again, a into a minus b right here. Okay, then second term is there, b into a minus b right there. Okay, and similarly last one is there, c into, okay, there's no c, there is direct a minus b whole square. Okay, is given a minus b whole square. That means, do you know, a minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b. Okay, two times a minus b two times there is a minus b whole square means, right? Okay, here is given a minus b whole square. Okay, this is a minus b two times a minus b whole square means, a minus b whole square means we have to write a minus b two times there. Right, now look here children, in all the term there is a minus b, here is also a minus b, here is also a minus b. That's why take a minus b common, right here, which is same factor, we have to take it as the common. Same factor is a minus b, a minus b, a minus b. Then here is remaining a, right here a, okay, and plus here is remaining b because we have taken just a minus b common, right here b, okay, and plus last one here is remaining a minus b, because there was a minus b whole square now. One a minus b is remaining here now. Okay, then now let's remove the bracket. What comes here? Look, a minus b, right? Now look here. This is remaining here a plus b plus here's a minus b, right? And then we know this minus b and plus b cancelled. Then we know a plus a is 2a. That we can add at the beginning here. 2a right here first. Then what is remaining next? A minus b. Okay. Like this, we factorize this type of question. Okay, children. I hope you understood here. Like this, we factorize the given algebraic expression by taking common. I hope you understood. And next class, I will teach you the next way of factorization. Okay. And today I taught you the beginner's one. Okay. At the first stage, how to factorize the given algebraic expression, which is the taking common. Okay. And what is the taking common that I explain also here? And I have shown the many question solution. Okay. It will be very, very useful for the factorization. Okay. And today this much only. And for the next day, I will come to the live. Okay. By taking all the different questions. Okay. For the factorization. Today this much only. Thank you very much. And please, if you have not subscribed at my channel, okay, please, I request you to subscribe for it. Okay.